Hello, this is Silvia Mendez and this is my Enhancement 7 video. In this enhancement, I build the functionality for clients to update their account information or to change their password. I'm going to log in as an administrative, and here we can see that when we log in into the Acme site, we are directed to an administrative page, an admin page, and this is the page that is shown where it is the display of the client's user level was removed, and we are an administrative user, and it was at the update account information, a heading and an explanatory text to the administrative display that could explain the link to the product management tool. In this case, we can go to the product view where we can modify any of the information here. And it also can delete one of the products. And here it is gone. We can also update the account information. But all this is not going to be visible for non-administrative clients. So we are going to log out and we are going to log in as a non-administrative client. I changed the password. Okay, so here it is. We are going to have, once the account link is clicked, we are going to have this information, the last name, the name, the last name, the email. And here when the account link is clicked, we can update the information like this one. And here is going to update it. Or we can also update the password. Okay, so if a password fails the requirement, then the client is informed that requires to submit a correct one. So if a proper password change is submitted, then we will receive this message, which is a success message that is stored to the session, and the administrative view is delivered where the message is displayed. This view is validated in HTML, and we don't have any errors at here. So this is my Enhancement 7, and thanks for watching.